What's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Before we get started on Cardano today, I need you guys to do me a big favor. Hit the like button, smash that like button. YouTube loves that freaking like button. So just take a moment, point at your phone, boom, hit that like button, or put your hand over your mouse and click on it. It's the biggest tip, the biggest blessing in the world you can give me and my YouTube channel, and it will cause my channel to grow. So I'm begging you, please hit that like button. Also, while you're at it, subscribe. It takes 2 seconds. After you subscribe, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And on top of that, the like button and the subscribe button motivates YouTube's search engine algorithm to present my channel to folks who haven't seen it yet. So be greatly appreciated, guys. Now, with that said, I have to do this. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right. Now, with that said, guys, here we go. This video today is going to be all about Cardano and the Cardano ecosystem and Ergo, which is Charles Hoskinson's favorite project next to Cardano, which need I say more? All right. Right now, Cardano yesterday was a pretty significant pullback. Cardano is now up 5%. It's currently sitting at 92 cents, and it has the ninth spot on the market cap. Right now, currently, Bitcoin is sitting at the top, ETH is second, USDT, which is a stable coin, Binance coins in fourth, USDC stable is in fifth, XRP 6, Sol 7, Luna 8, ADA 9, and Avalanche 10. Now, me personally, I feel ADA belongs at least right here, but that's all. That's my personal feeling. I believe that Cardano should be in the first spot, and more than likely come June, this will all come into fruition. All right. Now, let's jump forward into the technical analysis. All right, guys. So right now I have Cardano here, and we have the VPVR volume chart over here. Now that draws out its own indicator. Now this resistance line right here, drawn by the VPVR volume chart, it has a substantial amount of resistance that we're going to have to break through, and that will be at roughly 95 cents. Yeah, at 95 cents, which we just broke underneath of it. So it can happen in a blink of an eye, especially with Cardano. But right now, that is a key resistance point. We need to break back through to get this party started again. Now, the 20-day moving average is dipping down very hard. You know what? Let's put this on the daily chart. I don't even know why I was on a 4-hour chart. All right, let's look at the daily chart first. I'm so sorry, guys. Now, on the daily, I thought that was a little low. The daily chart, here's the key resistance point we need to break through. The key resistance point right here is at $1.05, okay, for Cardano. The 20-day moving average just crossed over the 100-day and is about to cross over the 50-day, which is a very bearish signal, but hopefully things will come around. But currently, that's where we stand. The volume for Cardano is very, very low. 200 moving average is up here at the top. It's not indicating anything really. It's down. I can't wait till Cardano passes over that with the moving average. Now, if we look at the 4-hour chart for Cardano, guys, you'll see that Cardano moving average, this was a death cross. No, wait, I'm sorry. The death cross occurred back here with the 20 and the 200-day moving average. Another cross and another cross with the 50 and 100. And the 200-day is now on top. So these are all extreme bearish indicators. There's really nothing motivating with the 4-hour chart either, guys. We are in bear territory for Cardano. Now we're going to take a peek at the market cipher chart here. On the daily chart, you're going to see that Cardano on April 7th had a short signal. It continued a downtrend, then had a sell signal, and it continued to drop down lower. So there's really nothing exciting there. The volume is very low. We do have a little bit of positive buy volume today, but the volume is super low, guys. Now, if we look at the 4-hour chart, you're going to see something very peculiar. You're going to see a lot of signals here with the 4-hour chart indicating that it was going to do a pullback. These are blood diamonds with sell signals underneath each one of them. And yeah, we did a significant pullback. Hopefully things will come around, but right now Cardano's definitely in a sell territory. Now it does look like we bottomed out here at 87 cents. Hopefully we did, and we're going to start working our way back up. Now again, that was on the 4-hour chart there. Now on a daily chart, and let's remove this. I don't know why this is, how do I see this now? Okay, on a daily chart here, I'm going to remove these here. They should not be in there. Okay. On the Bollinger Bands right now, Cardano is on the oversold side of things. So it's riding along this bottom here. And RSI is also indicating that it's oversold. And Cardano is currently in the fear portion of the fear and greed indicator. Now, if we look at Cardano on the 4-hour chart, you're going to see that Cardano is on the Bollinger Bands is currently neutral. It's not oversold or overbought. And it is also saying the same statement for the RSI. So that's very interesting. Now, the fear and greed indicator with the 4-hour chart actually has Cardano slightly in the greedy territory. So we have to see how things work out today. The exponential moving average on a daily chart for Cardano has Cardano currently extremely bearish. On a 4-hour chart, Cardano continues to be extremely bearish, but is starting to try to make its way up to bullishness. But as of right now, it is still extremely bearish. And we'll do a 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart with the exponential moving average does actually have Cardano showing bullish sentiment. Nope, it's actually neutral. It can't decide what it wants to do because it made a pullback. And the 2-hour chart is the most volatile, so don't really base anything on the 2-hour chart. The daily chart for Cardano with the Ichimoku chart here, you're going to see that Cardano with the daily chart goes out to May 13th, and it is predicting for Cardano to have bullish sentiment again at some point as we make our way out to May 14th. Now, the daily chart only goes out 4 days. I'm sorry, the 4-hour chart only goes out 4 days in advance. Now, these 4 days, it is predicting Cardano to continue a bearish trend. Now, taking a peek at the bottom of the screen here, you see the volume. It does have a little bit of decent buy volume, but it's nothing to jump up and down over, honestly, guys. Now, if it looks like this over here, that's when you get excited. So, from what I can see from these 3 charts, with the moving averages indicating extreme bearishness, the market cipher bearish, Bollinger Bands neutral, exponential moving average bearish, Ichimoku's next 4 days bearish. I would expect Cardano to stay bearish for the next 4 days, next week more than likely. But things could change very quickly in the crypto world, guys. You got to remember, technical analysis is just based on what did people do in the past when numbers were reflecting this in the market. But it doesn't account for geopolitical events, advancements, major news releases, all that kind of good stuff. All right. Technology changes. All right. Let's take a peek here at Ergo. Ergo is one of Charles Hoskinson's most favorite projects. It is next to Cardano. It was a very clear quote from him that Ergo is his favorite project after Cardano. Now, Ergo during this current bear market / bull run, it's not his time. But next 2 to 5 years, I feel confident in saying, you're going to see Ergo jump up to like a $50 to $100 coin, and that's huge. I have no other words for it. This is ridiculously huge. All right, now let's take a peek here at Ergo's chart. Now, I saw something very interesting here. This is the support line right here that I have drawn out for Ergo that is currently sitting on. Now, this support line is also its key resistance line. So where it is sitting at currently, which is well, right now, actually, it's not. Ergo is currently sitting at 425. The support line is at $3.69, okay? Now, if you backtrace it, you'll notice it's either resistance or support. And that is usually, it's been resistance lately, and now it's the support line. So starting as far back as January 22nd, it's been that key resistance line that it kept bouncing off of. And now that it's over it, it's a key support line. So what does it mean? I don't know, but it's good to know. Basically what it means is it may not dip back underneath of it. It may hold. That's what I'm trying to say, actually. Because Cardano's creeping up on June, and once Vasil takes place, it's going to be huge. All right. As Charles Hoskinson said before, there's 500 projects being built on Cardano, and when he said that, that was over a month ago. That was like 2 months ago, so it's probably more at this point. And once that goes live, guys, everything changes. And there's a lot of people sleeping on Cardano. I'm not. I think the NFT space is going to kick off on Cardano because it's affordable. You can actually afford to do it. It's not affordable on Ethereum. Ethereum, even when Ethereum kicks in with its new layout, it's not going to change anything. Ethereum's still going to be too expensive. All right. So yeah, it's still going to be too expensive. It sums it up. But anyway, sorry guys. So this is a real key point here for Ergo. If you look over here at the Ichimoku chart, you're going to notice that in daily, it's predicting Ergo to remain bullish on the daily chart here, and which is kind of interesting that it did predict that with what I just said about the support line. So that's very interesting. On a 4-hour chart, it is predicting Ergo to do that this only goes 4 days into advance. Remember that it's going to be slightly bearish for the next 4 days. But if you go to the daily chart, which goes all the way out to May 14, is predicting Ergo to be bullish. All right. Exponential moving average chart on the daily chart is predicting it has Ergo dropping from bullish to a bearish sentiment, definitely bearish at this point. Now the 4-hour chart is going to show Ergo attempting to become bullish again, but it's still in bearish territory because it cannot break past this neutral middle area here. I like to say that, the neutral spot. So don't sleep on Ergo. I would wait. I wouldn't buy it now. I would try to buy it closer to the $3.67 point, but you definitely want to have Ergo in your portfolio. At least that's what I'm doing because I'm not a financial advisor. But I would strongly suggest you to look into Ergo. All right. Taking a quick peek at MuesliSwap here. Now, this is a trick I started doing, and I really thought I was doing something big, and I had nothing to base it on other than this is the technique I found because it's so hard to track all these new Cardano projects because a lot of them aren't truly being tracked on the market cap sites like at CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, etc. And I was vindicated because what was it? Capital Ventures. He was a huge Cardano channel. Did a video saying this is the best way to track the projects. And I was like, wow, I've been doing that for like 3-4 months. So yeah, so you definitely be on MuesliSwap every day. And what I do is I just come in here and I look for the highs, who's up, which MinSwap's up a lot today, 20%. Liquids, man, I was going to buy some Liquid yesterday. Liquid's up 13.86%, and Pavia is up 3.92, which I love Pavia. I like Liquid. And Meld, I'm kind of in. But Sunday Swap, got in Flick, which I do have my eyes on Flick. I'm going to put a buy in for Flick since I end this video. And then you got drip drops down here. But yeah, you definitely want to get in here. It's a great tool. You click on it, like here, ADA Moon, you go in here. You got a chart where you can actually start to try to track what's their movement been like. And then you can go to the website by clicking there. And there it goes. Anyway, but you guys definitely want to get in here. I'm going to start doing videos, basic dive videos. I'm not going to go like deep dives, but I do want to start covering these projects so you guys start to pay attention to them because I truly think that Cardano is going to be part of what changes the world. I'm also a huge Hex fan. I think Hex is going to be a major player. Is it going to replace Ethereum? No. But will it be a game changer? Yes. And that's Hex. But anyway, that's it for this video. As always, first thing, make sure you guys join my Discord. There'll be a link in this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Leave comments. All right. And until next time, stay blessed. All right. Peace out.